Hello and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to all those who are new and welcome back to everyone who's been joining me on this journey. I have a waist trainer on and I can barely breathe. Well, happy holidays to everyone. I am so excited today to be sharing Jaclyn Cosmetics Highlight Collection. Okay, so I actually got this in the mail earlier this week, and I wanted to get my true reaction on camera. So this has sat in the package because I've been so busy this week working, and even though I wanted to put it on, I was like, I need to go ahead and record with this and show you all what is in here, okay? So I'm going to be coming from the perspective, obviously, on how these cosmetics look on darker skin. I bought it during the first launch. It has since relaunched, so if you are interested or you see something you like in this video, there's plenty of products on her site, jaclyncosmetics.com, and I believe Morphe carries it now too. So when I went on the first time, mostly everything was actually sold out, so yeah, it did really well. So the things that were in stock were for deeper skin tone, so it works out perfectly anyway, because these are the things that I would have bought. So just jumping right on in, a couple of things I did have to get in the package form, like the bundle, because singles of things might have been sold out. So this is the Mood Light Duo Luminous Powder and Brush Set, and it's a nice box. This is something nice to actually present during the holiday times. And inside you get a brush, and this is the J01 brush, and you get the luminous powder, and this one is in shade Carrots. Ooh, looks really pretty. Looks really pretty in the container. It's a very nice component. I really like the frosted glass and the silver top, so definitely very pretty. So sticking with the luminous powder, I got a second one, and this is in the shade Brilliant. So this is the deepest, I believe. Let me find out. If this is not the deepest, then this is a shade before the deepest. Let's see. Okay, so Brilliant is a shade before the deepest, and that first color, Carrots, that I got is right in the middle. The deepest color is Feeling It Bronze Glow. I didn't get that one because it would be too dark for my highlight, and I didn't want to get it as a setting powder. So I just got these two babies here. So next on the list, I have another duo here, and this is the Accent Light Duo. I really like the box presentation because it already looks like a gift pack in itself. You could just throw a bow on top and it's a perfect gift for the holidays. So I have another Jaclyn brush, and this is the Jaclyn J02 brush, and of course I'll open the brushes up a little later. And this is the Flare palette. I was very interested in getting the palettes. I really liked the Becca Face palette she released years back. So I was interested in trying this palette out. So this is the Flare palette. So this has the 4 deepest colors in here. You all don't even know how badly I wanted to swatch this, but I held off. It has a beautiful mirror. Just for comparison, I'll show you the face palette by Becca that she did some years back. Let me get that. Okay, so this is the Becca and Jaclyn Hill palette. Just for comparison, because this palette doesn't exist anymore, it was limited edition. It comes with 3 blushes and her 2 original highlights, which were Champagne Pop and Prosecco Pop. So I actually really still enjoy this palette. And the palette she released now has your 4 highlight colors in there. Last but not least, I picked up the Jaclyn Hill loose highlighters. I got the shade Amped and Megawatt. These were the only 2 left. I have 2 in my cart right now, but I figured I would see how I like this first before I just go buy more things, and I wanted to get this review up. So this is the Megawatt. I believe this is the darkest shade of the loose highlighter. Still very pretty. And this is the shade Amped, and it is the shade before the darkest shade. We're going to swatch these so you all can actually see. So we're nice and close here. As you can see, I have no highlight on. I did the rest of my face, and let's just jump right on in. Let's start with, what is this called? The luminous powder. I think this would be a good first step. This is advertised as a very soft highlight, which is something I'm actually very interested in for day to day. I like soft highlights. I think they're underappreciated, but soft highlights that have a really nice glow from within is actually really beautiful and has it just looks good. So let's start with the shade Carrots. Let's first see what that looks like. Let's see if it swatches like anything on my skin. Get a good little bit on my finger. It's kind of light. Oh wow. That's very soft. So that's the shade Carrots. That's actually really pretty. That's a very nice golden soft glow. I really like this. I'm excited to see how it looks on the face. Next, let's take some of the shade Brilliant and get some on my finger here. That's even softer than the first one. I don't really... I don't know if I love that finish. Of course, I'll see how it looks on my face. But, I mean, I can tell it's darker. I don't know. I have mixed thoughts about this for my immediate thoughts. I don't know. Okay, so we'll see how that looks on the face. But these are the two shades right here. So let's go ahead and swatch the palette. I'm really excited about this. So let's just start with the shade Glow Up. Ooh, I was excited to feel these. These do feel super soft. And I'm just going to put it right here. Okay, I gave it 3 swatches. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Okay. Now, the shade Made Ya Look. These are really buttery feeling, just like she advertised. So I like that. Okay, so this is definitely bronzy. That's gorgeous. Ooh, okay. Come through, Jaclyn. Next, let's do the shade Exposure, which is very bronzy. Let's see. Wow. That is gorgeous. This may actually be like a summer highlight. It's winter right now, so I don't know if I could even wear that right now, but that's very pretty. Last but not least, the shade Turned On. I was very interested to see how this swatches because it has obviously a red rosy undertone. It's very pretty on my finger. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. That is a gorgeous color. That is not a highlight for me, but look at how vibrant that is. That is going to be such a gorgeous... I would love to put that all over my eyes. I would love to use that as a blush. I would wear that on my lips. That is a gorgeous color. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh my God. So freaking pretty. Very impressed by that palette, for sure. Wow. Okay, last but not least, I forgot I got 2 other highlighters. We have the shades Amped and Megawatt. Oh, that feels good. Let's put it on the... Oh my gosh. That is gorgeous. What shade is this? Amped. Wow. That might be my favorite. That is so pretty. Oh, that might be my favorite. That is like wet glass. That is gorgeous. Very impressed. Ooh, I'm excited about this color too. I don't know if I'll be able to use this as a highlight. We will see. Ooh. Oh my. Wow. Way to be inclusive, Jaclyn. This color is so pretty. Oh my goodness gracious. That is gorgeous. That is so pretty to look at. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. I'm very impressed by the swatches. I know the real test comes with the face, but swatch wise, she did her thing. That is so okay. So pretty. Let me just wash my hands and stuff real quick, and then let's come back and put this on the face. Okay, in all this excitement, I forgot to show you the brushes. Let's pop these babies open. Let's start with the J01 brush. I like the slide out packaging, nice and clean. Okay, so the J01 brush, which will be for the bigger highlighting powders. I'm forgetting the names here. Ooh, I love the handle. This is very luxe. Oh, this brush feels good. This feels really good. Let's open up the second one. This is the J02. The only one I don't have is the fan brush, so it's okay. If anything, I can always go back and get it. J02 brush, and this is for the palette. I really like this. This is a good size. This is very soft. Okay, I thought that was a little exaggerated when I was watching all the videos, but feeling it, very impressed. Let's start with, I want to get the names right. The Luminous Powder. Where's Ambient? I don't know anymore. Okay, I'm going to put one shade on one cheek and one on the other, and I guess we'll see if we can see a difference. Or I'll layer it. I don't know. I'm going to take some of Brilliance right in the cap here. And I'm going to take the J01 brush. And I'm going to treat this almost like I am setting my skin. Okay. Okay, this is a very pretty everyday. I don't even know if you all can tell on camera. This is gorgeous. This is just like this is the perfect little just pop. I mean, I can see the difference. I don't know if it's picking up on camera. That's a really pretty just little pop. Okay, let me try the other shade. I'm gonna put the other shade on this cheek. And this is the shade Carrots. I like these names too. Okay, that is a pretty golden sheen. That's the way I can describe it. It's like a very pretty sheen. Like maybe I'm wearing a highlight. Maybe I'm just excited for a new day. This would be a very pretty bridal glow for those brides who don't want too much. This is nice. It's advertised exactly what it is. It's a luminous powder. So happy with it. Let's move on directly to what's in my hands. Since I'm kind of made up for the day, I'm not gonna put these on my eyes, but that's exactly how I would use it as an eyeshadow, at least in the winter time when I start to lose some of my color. I get really dark in the summer, especially after vacation, so that might be really pretty after that. So let's see. I'll put Made You Look on this side and Glow Up on this side. Oh, nice. Oh, so pretty. Oh, okay. I can see that on my rear view. I don't know if you guys can tell, but wow. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. Okay. Oh, I love that. Oh, I love that so much. Okay, let's try some of Glow Up. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. That's a little light for me. Well, no. What I would do is I would actually top that on top of like this one here. So the fact that I'm just trying it on my skin, whoo, man. Okay, you know what? Let me go ahead and take a little bit of exposure and I'm gonna top that off. Oh my gosh. Yeah, that doesn't really tone it down. Just add some bronze, but it's still a hell of a glow. Hello. Just light up her. Look at my apples on my cheeks, man. They're like mirrors. This is pretty. This is going to be in the rotation of everyday products for sure. I'm actually kind of nervous for the third one because I mean, like, hello, bam, in your face. I look like a flashlight right now. I'm going to take the lighter shade, which is Amped. I'll put Amped on this side. I'll put Megawatt on this side. So I'll go ahead and take some Amped, and I'm still just using the J02 brush. And let's just put a little bit of Amped. Okay, let's see. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. I'm a light. In this world of darkness, I am a light. Okay, yeah, in real life, I'm not gonna be beaming like this, like on an everyday basis. I will tone that down, but I guess for review purposes, hello. Take a little bit of Megawatt. That is pretty. Okay, I love this shade Megawatt because it's so deep. It's not as intimidating of a glow. That's so pretty. I love layering my highlights. So starting off with like a deep one and then adding a pop after is my thing anyways. There's no toning down my cheeks from here. It's too far gone. This gets an A+ from me. Of course, do not fret. I will not go out like this on a day-to-day basis. I mean, do it if you want to. I can see myself really using this powder on like days for work. Definitely adding touches of this and just a touch of the Megawatt and Amped powder, but you know, maybe not like shining in the dark like this. Oh my goodness, but this is so gorgeous. Jaclyn, congratulations. This is an A+ for me. I love it. Keep doing your thing. I'm looking forward to see how you grow and all the great products you can continue to come out with. Go girl. I love this. Alright you guys, if you love this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe down below. Don't forget to check out GlamourOusByAmaris.com if you are in the DMV area. Be sure to book for your next service and be sure to check out some of my products as well, okay? I love you all so much. Have a good rest of your day. Bye.